Hello you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a vlog style haul just to give my little peepers a break after my allergic reaction, and today I have a huge CHERRYZ box to unbox for you. I'm actually working with them again. I've worked with them twice now throughout kind of lockdown as well, so this is my third time working with them, which I'm absolutely buzzing about. It is a gifted basis, so I'm not getting paid to say anything or getting paid to the video. They have just very kindly, I say just, it's actually amazing, they've gifted me £50 to spend on the website, and this is what I picked up. And this time we went ham on food because Christmas is coming up. So yeah, I picked up absolutely loads of food. I do also have a discount code for you as well, so if you use the code LuceStephenson20, I'll leave it linked down below, then it's only valid on the app and it gives you 20% off your first purchase as well. So yeah, that is 20% off with code LuceStephenson20 and when you use the app as well. So I'll leave everything linked down below and all the information if you do want to check it out and get some money off as well with it being your first order. But let's just get straight into what me and Blake picked, because Blake had choice in this one. I let him have a choice of what he wanted, and we went ham, like literally a ham on snacks. So let's just get straight into this bad boy. If you are new here, by the way, please don't forget to hit subscribe and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more of these in the future as well, because I absolutely love getting stuff from CHERRYZ. And I mean, I wasn't joking when I said to you that we went ham on food because it's Christmas, like best time to do it. So let's just get straight into it. So I got some Cocoa Pops. We also got some Frosties. Well, Blake got some Frosties. Oh my god, I actually don't even know where to start. This would be perfect, by the way, if you are somebody like me who loves like home bargains and B&M, but you just can't be bothered with like going out to the shops if I think that's going on at the moment, or maybe you're a little bit anxious about going to the shops. Like I have to go at a certain time. I have to make sure that it's like really close to the shop closing, otherwise it's just too much for me. Too many people, it's too overwhelming, so I just choose not to go. So it's absolutely perfect if you want to save money, get the stuff that you want, like all these daft little snacks that add up when you get them in like Tesco and Asda and stuff. This would be really good for you, and this literally came so quick. Came within a couple of days as well, which is absolutely amazing. But yeah, anyway, let's get into the other stuff. So we've got some Knick Knacks spicy ones. Oh my god, we got these, which Blake is so excited about. So whenever we go to Aldi, we always get the big version of these, which are in here somewhere. Here's some, but they normally come in like big packs. Like they don't normally come like this, but they're exactly the same, just different outer packaging. Blake absolutely love these. We always buy 2 packs of them when we go to Aldi, and he literally eats them straight away. Like I have to hide them if I want any. So obviously we picked up some of them for him and for me as well. I think we got 2 packs of them, so there'll be another pack in here somewhere. But these, we've never seen these before. So these are like little mini pickups. We have this chocolate and milk one, and then we also have this milk chocolate one. So we've never even seen this flavour with them. Well, I personally haven't, but definitely haven't seen these little mini ones. We've got some chocolate squares and like these little Rice Krispie squares, little 4-pack of them. Got some Milky Way crispy rolls, which I absolutely love. We've got some Kinder little mini bars of chocolate. We also get this from Aldi as well when we do go and do like a big Aldi shop, because Blake loves them. Blake got these, which I was very reluctant about because I just don't like stuff like this, but he'll munch through this anyway. So this is, yeah, a little Tracker bar, peanut and caramel. I got some of these because I go through them so quickly, especially if I just want something quick when I'm on my lunch break, obviously working from home. So it's just the Uncle Ben's Golden Vegetable Multi-Pack. Just get 3 of them in there. I think it's like £2 odd, so really good because normally they're quite expensive. We got 2 packs of Freddo caramel, because why not? Oh my god, we got some Pringles. So Blake went for the sour cream and onion, and I went for Texas barbecue, baby. Best flavour ever. We got some of these Haribos. I absolutely love these. The little strawberry like pencil things. So nice. We normally get them from B&M when we do go. I love these as well. Blake can probably pinch a couple of them if he's hungry. These are the party rings, little mini bags, and they're really good because they're like 83 calories. Not that obviously calories are taken into consideration with this order because who cares? We got another pack of them pickups that I mentioned. And we also picked up, let's have a little look. Oh my god, this is what I really wanted. So these are, I absolutely love fudge anyway, but these are the Cadbury Fudge Sticky Puds. Oh my god, so excited to try these. Just put them into the microwave, 30 seconds, and then you got like a little hot fudge. Lovely. We also got some Whispers, because I've been obsessed with Whispers recently. I don't know why, but I've just been absolutely loving them, especially like the Whisper Gold with the caramel in it as well. Oh, I love Whisper. I love dipping it into a cup of tea. So nice. We also picked up a bar of Aero each as well. We also got Blake some of the Head and Shoulders anti-dandruff shampoo, because he has psoriasis on his scalp and it gets really irritated. It's really sore at the moment. He also got himself a little drumstick squashies raspberry candle as well. When we did the order last time, we got some of the room diffusers, and we put this one in like man in his bedroom, and it smelled really nice, so we got him a little candle for in there as well. Got some penguin bars, because you can't go wrong with a penguin bar. Nice little joke on the back. We got some Rolos as well. I mean, when I said to you that we went ham on food, like, we went ham on food. Oh my god, we got some Chewits. I haven't had Chewits for actual years. So just got some strawberry ones. I remember when I was a kid, if the Chewit was like too sticky, because I hate like having sticky fingers and stuff. If the Chewit was too sticky, then I just used to eat it with the paper on it. I'd just try and take off as much paper as I want, and then I used to just eat it with whatever was left on it, because that's how much I didn't like sticky stuff. So we also got, oh my god, we've been loving squashies recently, and obviously we just picked up the candle as well, but we normally get this whenever we go to the shops. We got the normal ones that we have, but we couldn't remember if we tried these or not. These are the bubblegum ones, so we picked up these just to see what these are like. But I absolutely love squashies. We always say it wrong as well. We're like squishies, squashums, whatever. I picked up these. These are the fish and chip salt and vinegar crisps. I got these in my last CHERRYZ haul, and I remember saying, or maybe it was my first one, I remember saying like these are like the perfect hangover cure. Not that I'm going anywhere, because everything's closed down, so I'm not going to be going anywhere for my birthday this year anyway. However, they're just amazing. Especially if you just need something nice and salty. Just can't go wrong. We got a bar of Galaxy each. This was like a little 2-pack on the website, so it came for £2. So obviously it's just the same as what it would be if you bought them separately. Blake got a Milka one as well, so this is just a little Milka Happy Cows. I honestly cannot wait to see how long this food lasts, because Blake just eats it. What's in here? Blake eats through things so quickly. So I wondered what was wrapped up, and it was this, to make sure that it didn't break. So this is a duo hazelnut chocolate spread, so it's obviously got the white and the chocolate in it. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. Get in my belly. And then we got some Milky Way bars, just a little 4-pack. And then this one, like literally everything in here was food, apart from the couple of things for Blake, which are like his shampoo and his body gel and his little candle. Apart from that, everything else was literally food, apart from this. So I got this for my youngest siblings. This is for Georgie. I've already bought her all of her Christmas presents, but I just saw this and I thought, oh, she loves Peppa Pig, and I'll just pick that up for her as well. So I'll wrap it up for Christmas, but obviously it doesn't come out of her Christmas money, because I've already bought her Christmas stuff, which is also Peppa Pig stuff as well. So yeah, that is literally all of the stuff that we got from CHERRYZ. Like, unbelievable that we got all of this for 50 quid. Like, especially the Pringles. Like, Pringles are so expensive nowadays. When did Pringles get so pricey? But just, wow. Blake's gonna be buzzing that I've done this video now, so he can actually start eating it all. I just want to mention as well, because obviously I'm uploading this the same day that I've got it, which is the, what date we on today? The 12th of December. The last delivery date for pre-Christmas delivery will be the 18th of December. So if you do want to get any snacks in for Christmas, then please get your orders in before the 18th, just because otherwise it can't be like guaranteed that it'll come before Christmas as well. So yeah, for pre-Christmas deliveries, make sure you get your order in before the 18th of December. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I do have the 20% off discount code for first time buyers through the app as well, so I'll leave it linked down below, and a little link for you to download the app as well if you do want to go check it out. Absolutely amazing if you do want to get some shopping in but don't want to have to go out to the shops. I just think it's a really good way of kind of getting the stuff that we personally wouldn't want to spend like full price on in shops, then we would go for this instead, because obviously it's just so much cheaper. Like all that for 50 quid is unbelievable. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm hopefully going to be back tomorrow and doing a Christmas collab with some other YouTubers and doing a tutorial. That's why I didn't really want to go on camera today, because I wanted to kind of give my face a bit of a break from the makeup and stuff with me having that allergic reaction. So hopefully I'll be back tomorrow for a brand new video, and it'll be a tutorial, but if not, there'll still be a new video coming tomorrow anyway. I was going to say thank you so much for my patrons for showing me so much support, and thank you for you guys showing me so much support as well. I love you so much. If you do want to get involved with my Patreon, I will leave it linked down below. It's absolutely no pressure, it's entirely up to you, but I love you so much, and I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye guys.